get this guy in and out of here with some ceramic 35 on his windshield. At least this thing wasn't tinted before. I got it. It's in the top middle. Just grab the 35% film. We're going to dryer sheet this window, so we don't got to wait for the dryer sheet. 35 IR regular, but I don't need that first. I need the window cleaned, and I need the baby powder. All right, this is how it is in the shop, but I just kind of ain't got time to explain things. We just got to get moving. We got 3 vehicles here. And we get all this done in crunch time. We got vehicles that got to be out of here at 5 o'clock. We still got to finish the windshield on that Charger. We got 2 fronts to do, and we got to remove the quarter. Got to do this whole windshield, and we got to do a full remover on that trunk still. Keep this here so we can get that windshield done. All right, so right now we ain't got time for that windshield to dry. So Mike's got the baby powder. Where's the tint at? Over here? All right. Get the tint ready. We need I'll start getting the windshield tools over here. All the tools that we're gonna need here, 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 here. We didn't wreck any trucks.
I think so we did.
No, whose truck did we wreck?
I thought you did.
No, to who? No, I didn't say anything. I said we don't need to wreck a truck. I said slow down. Does everybody slow down? The last thing we need to do is wreck a truck. That's all I was saying. I was just saying, take your time. Mike, you probably have to wait for that to dry a little more before you throw up baby powder on a wet window. Then it's just gonna smear it. You can't do it. Give me a towel. It's gotta be totally dry before you use the baby powder. So probably need another towel. Grab another towel. This side may be good. That's what I figured. Yeah, you just got to make sure it's totally dry. So you probably have to use 2 towels. That's all. That side already dried. All right, you can go do the other side. So we're just going to put a little bit in her hand, and or you could sprinkle it on there. But then if you're sprinkling it on there, you want to rub it pretty good. So I've got to go over and get the paper towels now. I thought I was over here grabbing that, but I didn't. You got the tint ready? Yeah, push the glass back. It's the, where's the tint at?
Oh, up there.
Oh, I thought you had it. You said, sorry, you said over here, so I thought you meant you had it over here. All right, so I'm going to tack the middle right there. Mike will take that over there. Probably need to time this thing to see how fast we can bang this windshield out.
It said half on the box. Hopefully there should be enough.
Oh, we got plenty of first half.
Seems a little light.
Oh, we're just ready to order. You good? We might even only have one heat gun over here.
We do, because that heat gun's under that tire.
Okay, well, that would have been nice to know.
I can see it totally already.
Vance, where are you at? Where's the camera guy at on that one? Vance? You didn't know we ran over an extension cord? Do that for the camera right in his face. You have one over there, so I need to move this vehicle so I can get the extension cord. It's under which tire? I need to pull up a little bit and I can probably go underneath. Is anything in front of me, Vance? Won't let me drive it with the door shut. Is it out?
Pull it.
It's fine. I'll pull it underneath the vehicle. What do you mean? It still fit over here? Okay, I got plenty of room. Are we going to get done in time today? It's like reality TV. Ken, Neil, and Mike do 7 vehicles in one day with a call-in windshield tint. The baby powder just helps it glide down. So if you're wondering why you're using baby powder, it helps it heat shrink without like creasing it and lets the tint flow. See, then we got to make the camera guy work too. So while he's videotaping, let's see if on one hand he still video it and he can walk over and grab the light. See if he can do that while still videotaping us over here. Is that possible?
I think the light's in the Hellcat.
The light's in the Hellcat. I can start my Meta glasses. Hey Meta, start video. I'm on over here now, Vance. Think the light's in the Hellcat, backseat of the Hellcat maybe? So the good part about the dryer sheet is you don't, or I mean, the baby powders, you don't have to wait for it to dry.
Yeah.
The bad part about it is if you reverse roll windshields and you're mobile and you got to get it to stick to the glass, when you go to peel your liner off like this and you peel your liner, it'll just lift the film because it doesn't really stick. All right, so we're done there. Gonna get this out here. You find the light or no? It was in the back of the Hellcat, wasn't it? Okay, well, either way, at least we got it. Mike, I'm ready for the light. I can get most of it. I can actually see. Saw enough to get that. I might not even need it. Maybe but just at the bottom. We'll reach as far as we can because that'll help Mike on that side. We're just going to connect the line over there. All right, or switch sides. Go, Mike, go, 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 go. It's dusty in here too. I had to clean the shit out of this thing. What, all the cars are beeping?
You don't want to wipe that off first, or?
No, I never do.
Really? Not anymore?
No. No, it never messes it up. Don't jinx me. Never have a problem. That dash is going to need cleaned off really good too and everything.
Yeah, for sure.
This thing's dirty. I like the time rush, dude. Like, can we get the job done for the day? It makes it fun. I mean, I get bored in here doing the same thing all the time. Okay, well, I gotta think of how I rolled this thing up on this window now, though. I rolled it up this way, so that's the front, so I gotta be here. Right here. Yeah, because I started on the driver's side. Get the static off of there. All right, now we'll team up and clean the windshield. Did you clean the outside of the window yet? You already did? You need a new razor blade, or you got one?
I got one.
Get busy all day and you got 100 tools in your middle pouch that aren't supposed to be there. That tool's not supposed to be there. You wipe off the dash yet?
Not yet, no. Real quick.
Let me get that here. Let me get the filler. So this guy's truck was not super dirty, but I can see like the dust all over everything.
It's not as bad as those quarry trucks we tint.
Oh yeah, I did one of those not too long ago.
Did you?
Someone,
Full of dirt.
someone watching this video is probably gonna be like, "How do they deal with that beeping all day?" I'm like, "Hey, I don't even hear it."
Don't even hear
But
it.
this one is kind of loud though. I'm like, "Damn, that's a loud beep."
I was only hearing them because we had 4 cars. I think 3 of them are beeping at once.
Okay, well you can't get your hand down the bottom no more, and you're gonna have to use the knife blade. Get a knife blade. Get down all down to the bottom. Okay, Mike's gonna finish out squeezing that while I go over and roll it, because that's how we work as a team here. Hey, Meta, start video. So while he's cleaning, I'm gonna reverse roll that, and he should be ready for me by the time I get this thing rolled up. You might want to squeegee that thing twice.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so the secret of this is keeping this thing straight out without touching anything. I'm gonna line it right back up. Spray the camera guy with some water right there. Cool him down. Old Vance is single, ladies, in case you're looking for somebody. So I'm gonna pull this so it stays flat, and then I'm spraying on the other side till we get to there, and then it releases, and you wanna catch it and work it right back over. If I wanna push these, I need to be nice and gentle. I don't wanna rush it. And I can back them with my hand. You see people with that tint brush, does the same thing with the back of your hand on any window. You just don't want to push it forward front hand. If you backhand, you'll never crease a window. That's a good trick to learn. You'll never crease a window with a backhand. All right, now I'm rolling it from passenger. I'm going to make a big loop and then tuck it. And then you can kind of twist it in there and tighten it up. So I'm kind of like tighten. And really now I want to keep my eyes on this top. I want to really trace that line at the top. That's what I want to be flat. But if that windshield's split, I want to make sure this is going to overlap for me, which it did. And then I want to keep it on that same trajectory of that bottom. That's what I want. I want the bottom flat. I'm not worried about the top. It's a perfect roll up. Mike should be almost ready for me. Then we're going to switch sides. He's going to spray the window from that side. And I'm going to stick it, and then we're going to team up, sliding it across there. It'll look good in the mirror. Let me get my hair wet for the video. Look like Clark Kent in these glasses. My brother Ryan said, like, now that I've been working out, dude, my veins are flying. He's like, dude, you look like a superhero. His little son's like 5, and he thinks I'm the Hulk.
So funny. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. So I'm gonna hose this off. Okay. and you want to switch hands, not touch the film. That'll let me get up in the vehicle. But my goal is to get in the vehicle, but watch the film. He gets it wet. I'm gonna get this knee underneath here, and then I'm gonna bring the film in with my hand, lean back, and I'm gonna drop it down and over so I can kind of hand it to Mike. Then I'm gonna roll it and work that bottom while he works that top. That's our teamwork. So, because your contamination is gonna come from that bottom. Alexa, start. Meta, start video. So working the bottom. He made it up right here. His job's to get it around up over there. My whole bottom's in. Now he's holding it to keep it lined up. And then I'll put my hand under here and pull this out flat. That way it doesn't crinkle over here on this side. I'm gonna give it a little fold to get behind here. So I'm making this finger like that. So this giant finger so I can get it in. Keep my side flat, and now I can work that over. We're in. Then we're gonna get the light, make sure our gap's good, which it is. Got no light gap. Our top's lined up. We won't have a light gap. I'm gonna lock in around the rear view mirror first. All right. And we'll do it straight across the middle. We can work up the top. Reach over here. I can bring all this over. We're gonna wet it. We're gonna do that again. This might be a record windshield. And I promise you, even though we're going fast, this thing is butter. There's a friggin' speck of dirt on there. So it's about speed and quality. That's what you're paying for. We got this guy in the waiting room. He probably thinks we're gonna be an hour. He's like, did those guys just do my windshield in 15 minutes? What's the time, Vance? How long has it honestly been? It can't be more than 20 minutes. Little under 20.
It looks
And done. Okay, so yeah, knock that bottom down while I get this top. Get the rear view mirror up in there. And this will be a new record windshield in the shop. And the reason why this is because it's crunch time. When you make shit happen like that, this customer like, hey, can you get me in last middle? They're like, no way. Sus is like, no way. He laughed. I said, Celeste, we can fucking do that. Tell him we can do it. I just wanted to know what the year, make, and model was. All right. You already cleaned the outside of the window, right?
Yeah, before we sanded it.
Okay. Look how dirty that thing is, too. Work right under there with this thing. These things just clip right on like that. I'll wipe the dash off.
I think there's a dust on the end of the window.
No way. All right, so I'll get all the tools you need to clean the windshield.
Windshield, yep.
Yep.